appreciate the question of what does graphic recording mean to you. In your description, you talked about pre-work, and to me, inherently, that leads to discussion about pre-work and post-work. And I seem to have run into a number of events where designing the experience for attendees can sometimes produce tricky demands on the short amount of time when events are short, or you have, breakout groups, or I've been doing fairs where there's booths, and so there's not an abundance of stream of consciousness, shared conversation, no keynotes, no microphone, no panels. The feedback is actually just feedback is actually take home, where you're able to. So I've got folders of stickies, so you can be quite quantitative with that. For this particular event, there's categories: mind, body, spirit, and emotion. So it's basically not a live graphic recording. It's post-production, it's homework. So this is what was captured live, which is maybe a third at best, maybe, of what the intended composition is. And similarly, in keeping with the art and science of things, when events adapt and change, sometimes you have to adapt and change. Anyways, this one likewise will have some post. I suppose it doesn't make me happy or sad, assuming that I've got budgeting and scoping that can accommodate for that responsiveness. It makes me happy at the thought that the client experience is will be optimal. That, at the end of the day, graphic recording means to me whatever is required, whether it's strictly speaking it's live graphic recording or just turning into facilitation work. If you define it as that based on a larger amount of pre and post, so be it. But these events that are actually like trade show fairs where people are coming by, stamping a passport at the live co-created art booth, so be it. It does produce an artifact that resonates with the community because it actually contains a higher amount of substantive correctness. There's nothing in there that wasn't a contribution that was written and transferred. I feel like it even reduces the slippage that can happen as a result of the triaging process in live. Anyways, I've had other videos talking about quite a bit of pre and post for events that were really short, and so we talked to the client and, well, how can we design an experience for the attendees that's indistinguishable from magic? And so this video, I don't even know how to link it. I don't think I'm monetized on YouTube, so I can do it. But anyways, it was another video. Maybe I'll just put the link in the description if you're interested.